Hi friends, welcome to our channel, the J3D family. What you are seeing here is Johan cleaning our aquarium using our DIY aquarium brush. This may not be the most sophisticated DIY brush in the world, but it works for us. We saw many videos to build a cleaning brush, but nothing worked for us out of the box. So decided to do our own design. The main need is the length of the brush. We don't want to wear gloves and put our hands into the water. That may scare our goldies. Here are our raw materials: a chopstick and a used toothbrush. The original plan was to put a hole on the brush handle, then fix the chopstick in it. The tool used is a drill with one of the smaller bit. Please note that if you are doing it, use the proper safety equipments. The plastic is really hard to drill. Maybe our drill is not good enough. It would have been easier if a rotary tool is used. Unfortunately, during this time, we don't have a rotary tool. A Dremel is in our wish list. We tried hard to put a hole, but it seems impossible. So initiating plan B. The plan B is to just glue the chopstick on the side of the brush. First thing is to tie them together to easily apply the glue. We used a clamp to hold the brush and chopstick together. If a clamp is not available, simple laundry clips or other methods to hold the two things together will work. We are using a glue gun. It doesn't need to be a glue gun. It can be any glue which is water resistant and works on plastic and wood. We choose glue gun because it won't just come out when we use it in the water. As you are seeing it, it is taking time to fix the brush properly on the stick. Let us fast forward in favor of time. Here it is ready, so we are testing it on the aquarium. It is easy to work on the glass, but when we work on the ornaments, it is little difficult, but it's fine. It would be better if we cut the bristles in an angled way so that it is easy. Hope this is useful. You can add your own ideas to this method and feel free to comment your suggestions in the comment box. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and enable the bell button for notifications. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.